almost sunset. I don't have much time today, so let me see if we can bring in a couple bass. I got this brush jig tied on, pumpkin green. So I'm gonna throw up in here, see if we can catch a couple bass. It's 5:47. We got 30 minutes till sunset. Make sure that drag is nice and tight. I like using the robo worm, but this can possibly still catch some fish. We'll see. Might lose it. Couldn't tell you. Some people are over there shooting away. That's always fun. Push up off the spot. I'm gonna try not to get shot out here because they're doing all that type of stuff right over here where they're not supposed to. So that's cool. Whatever. I got some weights in one of my pockets. Alright guys, so I'm going to just a little I'm going to put on this robo worm. I'm going to Texas rig it with a small weight. Small. Water's just glass, it's getting real nice. And this worm is the last one, I guess. I can never find more, but so first you put the weight on. Yep, got it through there. perfect, then I will tie my knot. Fisherman's knot, 1, 2, 3, 4, and back through. Clinch knot, whatever you want to call it. Perfect. Ooh, I usually do a loop knot. I don't know why I did that right there. Probably because you guys are on the camera. Doesn't really matter. Kind of does, but I can live without it for now, for the sake of fishing. Shout out to this drink because this is my first time having it and it's good. Jazz tea. It's like real iced tea. It's not real. It's not too sweet. Tastes like Grandma Beulah. Grandma Beulah sweet tea. I'm sitting on top of my chair right here. I'm gonna stand back up. Alright, so we're rigging this weedless because I'm throwing it up in these bushes, and you're surely, if it's not weedless, you're surely going to get snagged up. So we'll work down this bank a little bit, throwing this, then we'll head back out the other way. See if this makes any difference. I feel like I always catch more fish with this. I don't know why. We all have that thing, but here, I'm a finesse fisherman. I like to use lightweight. Lightweight, you catch more fish. I like to fish slow. I like to fish slow and small, really. And you'll catch big ones, not as many big ones, but you'll get the big ones in there. But you will catch a lot more fish wherever you are. There are a few lures and sizes that anywhere you go, freshwater or saltwater, you can definitely 100% catch fish. So I'm just flicking it up into these branches. See, there's one. Oh yeah, oh yeah. That's what I like. That's a good one. Let's go. Oh yeah. Good one. Oh no, it's wrapped on a branch. Oh, there it is. There she goes. Alright. First fish. Get up out of here. Alright guys, first fish of the day. As soon as I put that, I told you, you guys saw it. As soon as I put that on, we got this nice bass. Nice bass. So throwing the brush jig that I was throwing, I'm not saying it wouldn't have worked, but as soon as I put that on, I mean, y'all saw it right here. I didn't really stop recording much. So yeah, first fish of the day. Boom. It's a beaut. It's a beaut. It's a beaut. See if we can get another one. Hopefully this worm lasts, because like I said, it's my last one. And once this one's toast, yeah, we're pretty much done. Oh, did you see my piece? You gotta keep it on you out here, because everybody busting, you don't know what's going on. And I left my phone in the truck. Somebody was out there, so yeah, I don't know. Hopefully my phone's still there, truck's still there. We're gonna keep on working this bank and seeing what's what. I I don't think fish can resist. There's another one. Oh, is that another one? I snagged. Well, let's find out. Let me toss it way up on it. I had to jump it over a little branch there, let it go to the bottom, but the line didn't stop. What's this all about? Not another snag. Oh, there we go. Got it out. So if you guys ever get a snag and it's caught up, put tension on the line. You know, I'm gonna put tension on the line and flick it off. Oh no. Put tension on the line, flick it off. Sometimes it'll get that line to jump off. Most times it will. But I guarantee there's a fish sitting over in there. It's another branch. I'm gonna have to get this hook in here a little bit better. So just like I did right there, I don't know if you can see it, but just flicked it off. It got up off there. I'm gonna go back over to where I started and see if one will eat it over there. It's a beautiful evening. I'll let you just enjoy this a bit. If the video does stop, you guys, thanks for watching. If you could, please support the channel by subscribing. It'll help one day when we get to 100,000 subscribers. This moment is going to be great. So I really want to get that plaque. So you guys help me out if you can. We'll catch another fish here, but if not, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Maybe seen something in Arizona you never seen before. But this certainly is a beautiful sunset. Looks good, but not so much for the catching of fish. Alright, fish. Look at that fat chunker. Hopefully we get more next time. But thank you for your contribution to society. Contribution to my video. Y'all check out my other videos. I'll be back with more.